Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to make this stylish V-shaped Aso Oke pocket. If this is what you want to learn, then you want to keep watching till the end of the video. I have this piece of Aso Oke fabric here on my table that measures 27 inches in length, and the width depends on the width of your Aso Oke fabric. So you will need two of these pieces, okay? 27 inches for one of the pockets and then 27 inches for the other pocket. And the next thing you will do is to fold it into two like this, into two equal parts like this, and then you're going to make a line diagonally on the center. Just follow the white line you see on my screen, then you're going to stitch on that white line all the way down. So I'm done stitching and this is what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is to trim out the excess fabric. Done trimming off the excess, the next thing I'll do is to open it up and press open the seam allowance. I'll go ahead and give this a very good press. So I'm done ironing this and this is what it looks like, nice and clean. I will just trim out the excess other part. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to get the height of my pocket, and to do that I'm going to be taking a measurement of 10 inches from the lower parts of my fabric upward like this, just as you can see on the screen. I'll also measure the same 10 inches on the other side. Just follow exactly what I'm doing on the screen, and then I'm going to use my straight ruler to connect the 2 points together as shown on the screen. After that, I'll fold from this line I drew inward like this. If you do not understand what I'm saying, just watch what I'm doing. So I'm going to fold it inward like this, and then I'm going to give it a very good press. I used hemming gum to hold this inside just for it to stay nice and clean. So I'm showing this part so that you know how I went about preparation of this pocket in detail. So after ironing it, I went ahead to trim off all the excess that I did not want again, okay, and I later gave it another good press, trim off the excess inside as well. And that's basically how I made this pocket. As you can see on the screen, this is so nice. So that's basically the end of this tutorial. What I just did afterwards was to attach it to my Bubu dress. The tutorial on how to make this dress is already up on my channel. If you have not seen the tutorial before, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. If you watch the video to this point, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell as well, so that whenever I upload a new tutorial, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you for the support always. I will see you guys in my next video.